As I can see that many of you are facing problem during the uh, Google Meet classroom. Somebody is removing and somebody is muting the lessons. So in this video, I'm giving you a solution for that same. So what you have to do, you have to install an application from Play Store called Google Calendar. You already have this application in your mobile phone. If it is not there, then just install it. Okay, Google Calendar. All right, so there is an inbuilt calendar from your mobile phone also, but we have to use Google Calendar. All right, so make sure that you have this application installed. After this, open the app. Here, go on the bar menu, and below here you can see different accounts linked with Google. It's like, for example, this one, right? This one. So your school email ID, that is your name at the rate of sadullah.khanschool.org. We have to add event to this calendar. All right, we are going to add event to this calendar, and this event will be on daily basis, on regular basis. So what we are going to do, we will create an event. We will add a Google Meet link for that event, and we will provide this link on their WhatsApp group, and we will send a message that this is the link for the online classes for that particular standard, for that particular class. So every day they have to click on this link only to start the classes, right? And inshallah this will solve the problem which we are facing now. So to proceed with, for example, I'm from fourth class and I have a lesson at 8 p.m., right? So you can choose any day. I suggest you to choose the next day, that is today is 24, so I'm just taking 25th. So click on the month, you will get a calendar open over here. So click 25th, and on 25th you can see that there are timings on the left side. So 8 a.m. All right, so I have selected this slot of 8 to 9, right? So here I will add some information, right? Add title, so add like online lesson fourth class. All right, fourth class. Now the calendar you have to select. As you can see that there are, it is already showing me different classes over here, right? So for which class I want to set the event for. So every class have a different calendar, by the way. You can set different events and different appointments in one calendar. For example, I'll just take this class for live classes. Okay, so this one, you can choose any calendar over here, by the way, but I'm just you can just choose this event. You will get this by default in all your list, event calendar, right? You can just click on it, or you can choose any other class, right? Or online class you can choose. Now you have to select the time, that is 25th July 8 to 9 p.m. whatever your, I think you all have a specific time for the live lesson. So just set that date and that time. You can select date from here and time from here. All right, 8 to 9, now Indian Standard Time. And now here is the main important option, by the way. Okay, it does not repeat. You just have to click on that and click on every day. Click on every day. So this is the important step. Add people. We will skip this point for now. All right, and here is the next important point, that is add video conferencing. So just click on that. It will automatically create a Google Meet link. All right, add notification. You can add notification, so you will get notified about the lesson like 10 minutes before, or like I'll set it to 30 minutes before. All right, as a notification it will show you. and done. All right, so there is description column, attachment column, so you can skip this one also. Default visibility, that is also, yeah, default, keep it as default visibility only. So now you have to save this one. So the one part is over now. After saving, you need that Google Meet link, right? So just click on the class again. This screen will open, and here you can see join with Google Meet and share option. So click on the share option on the right, and just copy to clipboard, and just paste this link in whichever group you want, and share the link. So what will happen with this method, uh, as you are the creator of this calendar event, only you will be able to unmute, mute. uh, I think some of the problems which we are facing right now can be solved with this method. So for standard third, fourth, fifth, we will get only one link. For standard sixth and seventh, I recommend that there should also be only one link for the all classes. So both teachers have to create the one link, and both should be the host of the classes. So I will explain them separately on their phone calls. All right, so on a phone call. So I will talk to them afterwards. Okay, and for the remaining classes, I expect that they should create this link and send it to me first of all, to check, and then they can share it on. They can share it with the parents. And for the Urdu class also, they have to create one separate link. So for Urdu, we will have a separate link. For for third to fifth, we will have a separate link for each class, for each teacher. And for sixth, seventh, there are two teachers, so there will be one link, one common link, which I am going to create. All right, so I hope you have understood this thing. All the best.